I'm going to introduce the correct pronunciation for each of the consonant and vowel sounds. First, I'll start with the consonants that are single letters and have one sound. B, B. D, D. F, F. H, H. J, J. K, K. L, O. M, M. N, N. P, P. R, S, S. T, T. V, V. W, W. Z, Z. Now I'll do the consonant letters that have more than one sound. C says K or S. G says G or J. Q always has a U with it, and together they say Qu. X says X. Y will say one of three sounds. It will say I, or E. Next, we have consonant letters, two consonant letters that work together to make one sound. TH says either th or th. SH says sh. CH says ch. WH says wh. And NG says Next, we'll do the vowel sounds. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet: A, E, I, O, and U. First, we'll talk about the vowels that say their sound. When it's all by itself, the A says ah. E says eh. I says I. O says ah. U says If a vowel makes a long sound or says its name, it will usually have an E after it. A, E. I, O, U. Finally, we have vowel combinations that make different vowel sounds. For example, 2 O's together will say either oo or AW and AU say aw. OI and OY say oi. OU and OW say ow. And the R-controlled vowels, when the letter R comes after an E, an I, or a U, it says AR says R. OR says OR. Those are the standard consonant and vowel sounds and pronunciations.